Hi there, this is a Philips 20 watt LED tube light and it doesn't seems to be working. And this is the driver. We had checked the output by supplying 220 volts current. There is no output. Output is 0 volts. इसमें कोई करंट नहीं आ रहा है इसकी ड्राइवर में. हमने चेक किया था मल्टीमीटर से, इसमें 0 वोल्ट्स आ रहे हैं. तो इस वजह से ये ट्यूब लाइट नहीं जल रही है. अब इसका हम ड्राइवर चेंज करके देखेंगे. वील चेंज द ड्राइवर. So luckily we could get a new driver. This is the driver that I got from the electronic market, and the cost of this driver is 40 rupees. We'll try to attach. Now we'll attach the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So this is a series tester that I had made, and then I've put the video. I'll upload it soon. So with this series tester, we'll check the working of this circuit, so that if there is any defect in the circuit, it doesn't get spoiled. So now it's time to test the circuit. I've connected to the series connector, and now we'll switch it on. Wow, see, it's working now. Now ये अब काम कर रही है. अब हम इसे वापस ट्यूबलाइट केसिंग में पैक कर देंगे. We'll pack it back into the ट्यूबलाइट casing. Now we are going to attach the AC to the AC wire. And put the heat sink. We'll place the heat sink back on. Now we'll put the LED sleeve into the slot back. And put the wire, the AC wire into the slot. Now we have packed the entire circuit and assembly into this casing of the tube light. Now it's time to test the tube. Let's switch it on. There it goes. So that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.